Hi guys, my name is Jaclyn and this is my YouTube channel, and today I am filming a look with the Jaclyn Hills Morphe palettes, and we're doing a warm halo type of eye look, and it's gonna be really good, so just keep watching. And yeah, so I'm gonna start off with the Oh Hey Honey concealer, and I'm just gonna put this all over my eyes. It's a really strong concealer. I'm using the Morphe concealer brush and I'm just blending the concealer. Now it's okay if this is like a little bit messy. We're going to take a dry beauty blender and pretty much pat away any extra product. For the powder, I'm going to use my eyeshadow, the Jaclyn Hills palette. I'm going to use the color, I'm going to use a combination of In Light and Beam. Just mix those two together and set my eyelids. I'm going to use an angled brush and start placing color on my crease and above my crease. Okay, so we're going to use some lighter brown colors, which are actually right next to the transition colors. Pretty much any of like these colors are the main focus of our look today. Now I'm going to use butter and start making the crease darker where I want it to be. Now I'm just taking this brush I have and removing some of the color. Using another drugstore brush, I'm just going to blend in more color right there. Now to add a darker color, I'm going to take a dark brown on this palette, and it is called Chip. I'm also going to use Mocha and take those two colors and place them right about there. Now taking the NYX glitter primer, I'm just going to put this on the inner half of my eye. I like using a brush to apply this, and I like specifically using the same brush I used with the eyeshadow. Well, it looks like that one. I'm just going to apply right. Now I'm going to be taking a darker pink and just put it in the middle of my eyelid and use it to blend the pink out. Taking the color we put on our lids initially, I'm just going to use that to blend out some of that harshness. Now I'm going to take the Sleek Makeup highlighting palette and use this golden color right here. Now this is like a really light look, therefore I'm using the Forever 21 eyeliner, and this is a felt tip. Now I'm taking the Smashbox primer water and spraying it all over my face. Now I'm just going to blend my Fit Me foundation in. Now I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof 12-Hour Concealer and just applying it under my eyes and to my highlighting areas. Using the It powder brush, I'm just going to apply powder all to my face, and this time I'm using the Morphe banana powder. So that's it for this video, and if you want to watch more, just subscribe down below. I'm going to post a lot this year.